You guys may not know this, but Bitmex could be in big trouble. They're having to shut down in countries all over the world due to an ongoing CFTC investigation, and there's an outside chance it could get shut down. We're going to show you an alternative to Bitmex when it comes to leverage trading and how to use it. Hey guys, welcome to BitBoy Crypto. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you like the content you see here. So, okay guys, Bitmex is in some trouble. There's no doubt about it. Now, how big is this trouble? We just don't know yet. But there is an ongoing investigation by the CFTC on Bitmex. Now, they've already had to shut down US accounts. They've already had to shut down accounts in Quebec, in Canada, and more recently, they've even had to shut down in their home country of Hong Kong, also in Bermuda, and in Seychelles. Now, if you don't know Seychelles, you can sell Seychelles by the seashore, but you can no longer leverage trade there. So we're going to be looking today at an alternative for leverage trading, which is Prime XBT. So Prime XBT did sponsor this video, so thank you to them for sponsoring. If you guys would like to sign up for Prime XBT, if you like anything that we show you here today, and I think that you might, you can sign up by going to prime.bitboy.live, and you help support the channel. So here we go, guys. We are on the Prime XBT website. Now, if you did not know, XBT is an alternative ticker symbol to BTC. So when it says Prime XBT, you would actually read that Prime Bitcoin. It would be the same if it said Prime BTC. A lot of the more institutional focuses in crypto are kind of siding with that XBT ticker as opposed to BTC. Not really sure why, but that's something that we are seeing. So leverage trading, we see that as well. Bitmex uses it. Some other leverage trading platforms use XBT as opposed to BTC. So here we go, guys. Let's take a look at what you can trade here. Now, first, I would like to say the fees on Prime XBT are very low. It's got very high liquidity, and it also has a very high level of security. So those are three things that you always want to see in an exchange. Now, if you're interested in trading other things than just Bitcoin, there are cryptocurrencies you can trade, such as Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and EOS with 100x leverage and the lowest fees. Indices, which if you didn't know is the plural of index. I'm just teaching you guys so many things today. Access the most popular indices such as S&P 500, FTSE 100, and Japan. Much more also. So on Forex trading, it's very interesting. So you can go short on 25 Forex majors, but you can actually trade up to 1000x when it comes to Forex. So 1000x with Forex trading. So commodities, speculate on the prices of high-profile commodities such as oil and gold and profit from their growth and decline. It's great to make money on both ends of the spectrum, which is why people like leverage trading. With just regular trading or hodling, either situation, you know, you're really a slave to the market. Like, you want the price to go up. When it goes down, of course, we say buy the dip and things like that, but you really need the price to go up in order to make money. However, with leverage trading, you can actually make money at the top of the market or the bottom of the market. So you can go long or short. So long means you're going to bet the price is going to go up. Short means you're going to bet the price is going to go down. Now, these are things I had no idea about before I got into crypto. I didn't do any kind of trading before, you know, I really got involved in cryptocurrency and things like that. So if you're new to this and those are terms that you didn't know, then once again, there you go. We gave you something maybe that you learned today. So when people are talking about going long, they're talking about betting on the price going up. Going short, you can bet, you can gamble on the price going down. So here we go, guys. This is kind of your account summary. So I've actually put just a little bit in. So like I said, or I haven't said this yet, the minimum that you can deposit is 0.001 Bitcoin. And so you can see I deposited just kind of the minimum to get in here and to learn. And I suggest everybody does that before you really jump full force into a platform, unless you're a very experienced trader, which leverage trading is more for the experienced. But hey, if you put 0.001 Bitcoin in there and you're not from maybe a third world country, that's not that much money, you know? So if you got in here and you lost your 10 bucks, which is basically what that is, not financial advice, but it's probably not going to kill you. So I put some in here and I've been, playing around with it just a little bit. Okay, so you can see here we have available margin 93.14%. If you hover over anything that's got those little dotted lines under it, it'll show you what it is. So it says total amount of funds available for trading represented in percent. Available margin equals available margin slash equity or divided by equity times 100. So I'll show you your available margin and things like that. So if you want to deposit, this is the way it works. You have to go here to deposit. You click here on the left and you have to put money in your account. So it's really cool what they have here, how you can put money in your account. You can do this through the Changely widget here. Now, I believe the minimum that you can deposit through the Changely widget is $100. So if you deposit another way, you can put $10 of Bitcoin in here from another wallet if you want to try it out. But if you want to buy with a credit card, you can do it right here on the website through this Changely widget. This is not a screenshot here. This is an active widget. So you can choose what you want to deposit or what you want to buy here through Changely, and then it'll go straight to your wallet. So if you want to go straight to the Changely website, you could do that as well by clicking there and do it that way. But I do like the way they have it right there on the site. So, okay, guys. So once you do that, okay, once you have money in your wallet, which I don't have any right here because mine's in my trading wallet. So this says trading account here. You can see it talks about what this is. You have to transfer your money to your wallet and then withdraw to your trading account. So all you got to do is when you have wallet balance over here, it'll say like, 0.1 Bitcoin or whatever. You would just click fund trading account here and it's pretty much instant. It takes 2 or 3 seconds to move it over here to your trading account. So that's kind of a security feature that keeps you from, accidentally gambling in a way with too much of your money in your wallet. If you want to keep some backup money in your wallet in case you use all your margin and you get liquidated, which means you lose all your money in in your account for a trade, then that's what this will allow it to do. Now, another cool thing here is when you go to withdraw. It's got a security feature here. We talked about they have high security. You can add a destination address. So this would be where you would withdraw funds to. You would first need to take it from your trading account to your regular wallet, and then you would withdraw to a whitelisted address. So this would be a Bitcoin address that you choose, and this is a security feature because if somehow Prime XBT were to get hacked, a hacker could not send funds out of your account to any address that's not on this whitelisted account list. So that means that the only place they could send it to if they got into your account was to one of your addresses that you've already whitelisted. So obviously hackers, when they get into exchanges, they're trying to do things in mass very quickly. And so this little complication here would make it much more difficult for you to get hacked, which is kind of cool. So let's talk a little bit about their affiliate program. So I am a part of the affiliate program. Like I said, you guys can go to prime.bitboy.live. The link is right over here. You can just click, you can't click it. If you click the screen, it's going to pause it. And I know you guys like to hear me talk. So let's not do that. Put this in the address bar of your browser, prime.bitboy.live, and you can go sign up. That is my referral link. Now, the cool thing about their referral program is that I'm trying to sell you on their referral program, is that it is a tiered system. So you would get 20% of the trading fees of people you refer, but the people that they refer, you would get 15%. And the people that those people refer to, you would get 10%, and then so forth down the line, all the way to 5% at tier 4. Now, if you have a tier 4 and they refer other people, then the pyramid just kind of starts over again for them and you get left out of that. But I think with 4 levels below you, I think you'll be probably pretty good. So it does have a really cool, really robust affiliate program. If you'd like to sign up for that, you can once again go to the link here. So, okay, guys, let's look at the platform itself. So one cool feature about the Prime XBT platform is you can add little widgets. So if I got rid of this here, you can just hit an X and just get rid of things. And you come up here to widgets and you can add things. So if I had a watch list and there's something that I wanted to kind of watch the specific price on an asset, I could do that there. If I click dashboard, that'll add there. And then for the dashboard, I can add things that I want to see too. So if I wanted to add Litecoin compared to Bitcoin, if I wanted to know Litecoin compared to US dollar, I could do that as well and put that there. And you can just kind of create as many things as you want to see. You want the Bitcoin price compared to the US dollar. This is a good way to watch how assets are performing against each other. So there's other widgets you can put in here as well. You can put positions. Obviously, I just have one little position here that I've taken out. The fill price, I did 0.01, and you can kind of see the current price. So I'm actually doing pretty well. I'm up about $200 on the Bitcoin price, not on, as you can see, I had a very small amount, just kind of testing things out here. Okay. You guys have to remember, I'm not a professional leverage trader, so I like to get in and try things before I really, go ham on something, but I do like bacon better than ham. But current trades, I can click on that. Now, once you fill up these top 3 spots, or top 4 spots, we added one more thing. Well, I thought it would add to the bottom here. You can actually move these to the bottom as well. And I don't know why it's not doing it here, but there are other ways that you can lay this out, is the long and the short of it. You can put things at the top, you can put things at the bottom, you can move it down. See, so if I take this here, it's kind of like a website designer, like Wix or something. You can just click and drag. So see, now I've got it over here. If I wanted this to be kind of 3-tiered, I could put this here. And look, now I've got 3 things down here. I got my chart. You can lay this out however you want to lay this out, which is something I really like. So if we were actually to do a trade, we would go up here and we click on what we want to trade. So here's Bitcoin versus US dollar. So you just click trade right here. And you can do a market order, which is something that, gets triggered when something reaches a certain amount, or that's the limit order, excuse me. A market order is going to trigger right away. So whatever you set over here, however you want, to trade or whatever asset you're trading, if you do a market order, it's going to go right away. It's going to trigger because it's going to go at the exact market price of whatever you are trading. If you do a limit order, then you can kind of set the place you want to trigger. If you want to buy, then the price is going to have to be lower. If you want to sell, the price is going to have to be higher. So this is kind of buying dip, selling profits. That's why you would want to do limit. Same thing in a regular trading exchange. You can set a stop loss as well. So let's say you got a trade that's going well. Let's say Bitcoin, you're longing Bitcoin. It goes from 10,000 to 11,000. You say, there's some resistance there. I want to make sure that, I want to take some profit when it gets to 11,000. You can set your take profit there. Your stop loss, you can set it if the price starts dropping. You don't want to drop below a certain amount. And then you can also do OCO trades, which are kind of conditional trades. Little more complicated than what I like to do, honestly, when it comes to leverage trading, but you do have that available to you. So overall, Prime XBT, in my opinion, is a good trading platform. I am, as you guys can see, I've got 93% available margin over here, so I can kind of go ham and make some money. I've already made $1.91. So it's unrealized, though. I could lose it all and get liquidated, or I could take my profits. That's a pretty good profit right there. I mean, if you think to yourself, like, okay, let's say instead of putting the minimum in to kind of try things, that my balance was $1,300 instead of $13, then you know what? I would have made $200, which is a pretty good gain, over a short period of time. So leverage trading is something we're going to be talking more about on the channel. It's something I'm very interested in. I'm trying to do more. I'm never going to give you guys advice on how to leverage trade because personally myself, I'm still learning, but this is a very beginner-friendly platform, and I really do like that. I like how it shows everything up at the top, your available margin and things like that. So hope you guys enjoyed this review. Drop me a comment below and let me know which trading platform you would like to see me review, you would like to see me look at when it comes to leverage trading, or which one that you like the most and you use. I know a lot of people use Bybit. Obviously, some people are still using Bitmex, but I think the Prime XBT could be a good option for you. So thank you very much for watching this video. BitBoy out.